When the power goes out, your generator becomes your lifeline. But keeping that generator running safely in real weather takes more than just an old storage cover. It takes engineering, testing, and proof. Gen 10 was created to solve a real problem. People need to run generators most for home backup in rain, ice, and snow, but unsafe hovers and improvised solutions create new risk. From the very first prototype, the focus has been clear. Build a system that protects power equipment safely, withstands real storms, and proves its performance through published, independent testing, not just marketing claims. Every generation of Gen 10 has been refined through thousands of hours of field use, customer feedback, and third-party validation. As generators have evolved, Gen 10 has evolved with them. Stronger materials, smarter mounting systems, higher safety margins, better performance in extreme conditions. Today, we're proud to introduce the next evolution of the Gen 10 Universal Clamp System, featuring a new steel mounting platform and expanded product compatibility.
Independent laboratories and safety organizations have validated this new system for forecast winds up to 110 miles per hour, snow loads equal to 20 inches of wet, heavy snow, and more than 18 inches of rain per hour. These ratings place Gen 10 in Category 2 hurricane-level wind performance and serious winter storm durability. Safety testing went even further. Our canopy fabric is independently certified for the NFPA 701 flame retardant standard, and all critical hardware components achieve a UL 94 V0 flame retardant rating. This system is also verified to operate safely with the PGMA and UL compliant generators, with no false shutdowns due to carbon monoxide sensors and no impact to cooling or airflow. During competitive testing, several non-rated covers produced elevated carbon monoxide levels that triggered shutdowns, and Gen 10 avoided those failures entirely. This degree of testing was not accidental. It reflects our design philosophy, which is centered on protecting people first, building durability into every component, and delivering real-world value for consumers as manufacturing costs are rising. From hurricane-force winds to blizzard conditions, Gen 10 delivers independently proven protection you can trust. Gen 10, weatherproof your power.